go. Welcome to Laconia Bike Week, y'all. It has been an amazing ride in. If y'all have not followed our travel, you can click this link right here and see our ride in through the Blue Ridge. I brought a Marine Corps veteran with me all the way up here to Laconia to visit my friends at 03D and of course my friends at the American Flat Track Races. The real goal of these trips when I take them is to find a veteran, bring him along on an expense-paid road trip of a lifetime. I truly believe motorcycles are therapy. I think that these things help men and women let go and just stop thinking about the things that weigh on them every day. These bikes will help you clear your mind, and taking these big trips is just a great way to feel the support and the love, because this country is a happy place and people are supportive of our military. So getting these guys on the road, and girls of course, to see that I think is crucial in stopping that 22 a day. And y'all know what that 22 a day is. 22 veterans in this country are killing themselves every day, right here on our own soil after they get back from the war. And I think it's up to the rest of us civilians, the ones benefiting from their sacrifices overseas, to help change that. And that is exactly what we're doing today. So y'all meet the veteran that came with me on this trip. Cody, how you doing, brother?
Doing wonderful. How y'all doing?
Marine Corps veteran, all around badass. And let me tell you, the man can ride. Only been riding for 1 year. And you got how many miles on your bike?
I probably got somewhere around 13,000 now.
13,000 now. 1 year riding, this man rides with me better than I've seen a lot of guys that have been riding their entire life. You're doing a fine job out there on that heritage. Sorry ladies, he is not single. We've been getting some comment in my videos, so not a single man. Don't get any ideas, ladies.
Happily take it.
A good man. Is your lobster roll like the bomb?
Yeah, it is.
I mean, for a guy who's never been to this part of the country, his first lobster roll, are you the place to do it?
Yeah.
All right, let's do 2 of them.
Okay.
You ever had a lobster roll?
No, I haven't.
Oh yeah, man, get you some of that. Yeah, baby.
I'm ready. Pretty damn good.
All right, let's take Cody around and show him a little bit of what's happening here at Laconia Harley Davidson. One of the people I absolutely love watching happens to be here at Laconia, working at the dealership. But I gotta figure out where their service department is. What's up, man?
Hey!
How you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
So you think you can get me to John Maxwell?
Absolutely. Come on back.
Let's do it.
He's a highly trained unprofessional working for us this week and doing a fantastic job.
Been working hard, baby. Mr. John Maxwell. Woo, you can do it. Amen, man. He's got it. What's up, brother? What you doing?
Man, working. 87 Sportster.
87.
Yeah.
Does that guy realize he's got somebody famous working on his bike?
Probably not. It's the only reason why I like the Sportster. Is that was easy.
All right, y'all. Before I, I'm gonna let this man get back to work and quit my little fanboy thing I'm doing with him here.
Yeah. That's serious work right here.
That looks like serious work. All right, y'all, I told you I'd get you to see the man. You got to see the man. If you do not yet, there's something seriously wrong with you. If you like to fix anything on your motorcycle, or if you like even knowing about your motorcycle, go follow this man. There'll be a link for his page down in the description below. There is another John Maxwell out there, but he's not near as cool as you.
No.
I stumbled on him. I was like, what the?
I get a lot of Facebook messages about like really weird, so he's like a motivational speaker.
Yeah.
Like you can tell right off the rip, like this is not for me.
Not for him.
This is definitely the old guy.
John Maxwell. In the flesh. I'll see you later, brother. Enjoy the rally.
Yep.
And I'll see you October 5th for the Bring It Home.
Hell yeah.
Hey, if people want to like ride with you or meet you, how are you gonna have what you got?
It's coming out as soon as we figure out logistics. It'll be 3 stops, I think.
Go to his channel. He'll keep you up to date, and you might learn something too. All right, brother. I'll talk to you later.
Later, man.
Cody, what are you doing to your bike, man?
Putting this Zero phone mount I just bought. I liked yours. It's got the power right to it.
You ever heard of a one wheel?
A one wheel?
Yeah.
No, I haven't.
You want to learn about one right now?
Sure.
Yes, this thing.
So Arrow's got a one wheel. Come on, man. You're gonna ride this thing.
I'll give it a shot. I may end up on my butt, but
Where should we go? Do you want to try it down on the street so there's no bikes to hit?
All right, let's do that.
I'm about to embarrass myself.
Come on, Cody. You got this.
Yeah, you got it.
You got it.
Nice.
Look at you, man.
Yeah, he's a pro.
Right out of the gates.
One wheeling, baby.
Oh. So we're hanging at the Zero 3D booth here right now. I just installed. Look at him. Look at him. I'm gonna have some more comfort on the way home. Here, take a quick look at me putting them in. First and foremost, we're gonna use the ASR floorboards in black. Next, we'll be using the highway peg mounts in black as well. Thanks, Zero. Even got me a seat. Spoiled over here at Zero, man. Normally, I'm just on the ground doing this. So these are what's gonna attach my floorboard to the bike. This will work on any crash bar. That's pretty much the universal size for all these V-twins. So it really don't matter what your make or model is. These things are gonna get the job done. Now, once you got it on, I'm just gonna tighten this up here. My mini board's gonna go right there. So these are the mini boards we're gonna be installing. They are the ASR black. They do also come in chrome, but you know, right? Oh, right, and they are installed and looking good, I might add. Both sides, when they fold up. Oh yeah, now that straight and looking good. All right, yeah, so I just put them in right here at the Zero 3D booth. Something just caught my eye, and what did you call it?
Yeah, it's called the Machete Extended Bag Light. Works with any Harley OEM extended bags.
Take a look at this, y'all.
So when the bike's off, it really blends in. You can barely even see it. As soon as you turn on your bike, it activates the LEDs, and you've got run, turn, and brake function all built in there.
That is sexy.
So,
dang,
it
man.
has a lot of light to the side of your bike and adds some safety as well.
That's super cool. Man, that looks good. I dig it, man. My boys, Zero 3D. Those are cool. If I had that saddlebag, actually, now Ashley's gonna hit me up. She's gonna want those on her bike now. You know that, right?
Yep. Yeah, we can send her out a set.
Damn it, Ashley. All right, y'all, there it is. You asked me, does Zero 3D carry products that can go on your Indian? And I think we've just proven the answer to that is yes. You know, I'm gonna keep chipping away at this guy and telling him we need more Indian products, but you know, I don't know if I'll be successful.
Yeah, it could be next up. We're almost done with the gold wing stuff, so.
It's a gold strike.
Yep, so we did. Front to back on the bike, we got a bunch of new stuff for it. With the front rotor covers, this is brand new. Front fork covers, some driving lights, highway pegs, those are the most comfortable, most rigid ones on the market. Got the phone holders, drink holders of course, floorboards, frame covers, and all kinds of rear end lighting.
You're staying busy, man.
Yep.
You are staying busy. So you heard it, man. There's hope. No promises, but hope for the future for you Indian riders. All right, y'all. Until the next video, I will talk to you all later. Remember, we are not quitters. We are the American.